Hello, and welcome to Math Digest. Today we're going to be talking about Pascal's triangle. So when we have something like a plus b to the fourth power, we can either go through the hassle of doing the whole calculation, or we use Pascal's triangle. So first, let's look at how it is built up. The border of the triangle is made up of 1. Then you take the two numbers on the top, add them together to get the next number. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then you do the same 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1, which are both 3. And then 1 plus 3, 3 plus 3, and 3 plus 1, which makes 4, 6, 4, and so on. Each row of the triangle is equal to a binomial raised to a certain power. So the first row is equal to a plus b all raised to the power of 0, which is always 1, so that's true. Then the second row, a plus b all raised to the power of 1, you take the numbers in the triangle, for example 1 and 1, put it in front of your variables, a and b, and that would be 1a plus 1b, which is the same as a plus b, so it's correct. Let's go back to our example. A plus b all raised to the power of 4. For this, we have to look at the fifth row, which is the row that corresponds to a binomial raised to the fourth power. Let's look at the numbers 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Take these numbers and now take the variables that make up the binomial, which are a and b, put them after each number. You're going to be looking now at the power to which your binomial is raised, which in this case is 4. So now you're going to look at the first variable, which in this case is a. It's mostly the one on the left, and from left to right, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 on the exponents of our variable a. Next, you do the same with your second variable b, but you do it from right to left. Now, to find out what sign comes between these different parts, you have to look at the sign in the binomial. In this case, it's a plus, so we put a plus between our different parts. If this plus were to be a minus, we would alternate between putting a minus and a plus. Of course, you can see that we have things raised to the power of 1 or the power of 0, and we also have variables multiplied by 1. So we can take away the 1's and the variable raised to the power of 0 and shorten the 1 above the variables raised to the power of 1, and that gives us this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. If you have any ideas for future topics, make sure to leave them in the comment section below.